Guys! So today mag-unbox ako ng Magic Sing Diamond S-Class. Was 29,800 sa SM Store. And super saya ko kasi first ever na mic ko to. Ganun pala siya. Oh. Yan. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Yan. Alright. Good thing, meron siyang handle. Oh my God. Ganda kasi meron siyang may handle siya. Super hindi siya i-carry. Oh, okay. And titignan natin ang ating i-unbox. And dadan! Magic Sing new generation of karaoke. So first ever karaoke Magic Sing. I'm super happy. Let's see what's inside. Yan. Tingnan natin yan. Natin. Naman. Wow. So, there's two microphone dito. It's colored parang gold. Super handy. And super gaan siya. Very, very light. Nakakatuwa. Ayan. Ito yung bahay niya. And then, at the underneath, meron siyang mga cords. Meron akong cord. And, yan, may, yung triple wire na may USB port. And then this, like information, like the catalog for info. And a song list. Super nice. Yan, dami nating song list. And meron siyang remote control. And at the same, ito ang kanyang stand. So, para pag hindi mo siya gagamitin, nakatayo siya. And what else? Meron siyang charger. Nice. And may kasama siyang battery actually kanina. Ito yung battery. Ito yung Supercell na battery. PK cell. Ultra alkaline. So, alkaline na battery ang pwede sa kanya. Parang same siya sa alkaline na ultra alkaline. Yung sa TV ko, same alkaline din yung gusto niya na battery. Ayun lang guys. Wala na. That's it. Meron siyang box. And Magic Sing. I-video ko ulit next time pag gagamitin na namin sila. Super excited. Bye!